Hello, my name is Professor DEVANGI PAREKH from Shiusha Institute of Computer Application. Today in this video we will be talking about very important part of the web development, and that is cascading style sheet, in short CSS. There are three basic fundamental part of the web development. First one is HTML, second one is CSS, and third one is JavaScript. HTML is used to display the content on the web page. CSS is responsible for styling, and JavaScript is used to make web page interactive. These three languages are different language and they work differently. But HTML, CSS and JavaScript need one another to make the website. Now let's see some basic information related to the CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Again, it is not a programming language. We can use CSS for styling purpose. It is used for website layout and designing purpose. CSS is a language that describes the style of the web content. It is basically used to modify and apply the appearance of the content by giving the different type of CSS properties. In these CSS properties, we can apply the different type of font color, font size, font family, different type of font positioning and some animation effect to the web content. Now let's see one example over here. In this example, in this website, we are going to see how the developers are going to use some of the different kind of CSS property in their website. So let's just open this website. So here in this website we can see that developer is using different kind of CSS properties like font color, font different type of font families, font size and some of the background images, and also the developer is using some of the different kind of CSS animation effect and other property also. We can look this website is looking pretty good. So now let's remove the all the CSS portion and we can see how this web content is look like. To remove all this CSS property, I am using this extension over here. So let's just disable. So these properties all disabled now, and we can see this how this web content is look like. So we can see this all this content are going to be redundant and no one is going to read something content like this. So you can imagine now how the CSS, how the styling properties are important for making some website. Now let's move with the other example. If we want to create some page like this with just an by using just an HTML, so you can see this how the HTML page will be look like. So here you can see with the only use of HTML language, the content will be something look like this. No styling will be added to here. So here we can clearly say that HTML will define all the content, text, images, link, etc. But without the CSS we cannot apply this styling. So here clearly we can see this CSS adds this styling to the website. It is responsible for representation and styling of the website. So CSS having the different type of properties available over here. By using this different kind of properties, we can apply the styling to the web page. Now let's see some of the basic properties which are the available for the styling purpose. So here are listed some of the CSS property. First one is font color, font size, font family, background color, text alignment, border, positioning of the content, animation effect, and we can also make the content like bold, italic and underline. With the use of CSS selector, we can apply all this content, all this style to the web content. So we can say that with the use of this type of CSS property, we can make the appearance and the appearance of the web page good. So by summarizing this video, CSS is a cascading style sheet. It is responsible for providing the appearance of the web content, and the web content will be displayed by the HTML language. Thank you.